Hi everyone! This is one of my favorite songs. It's Slippery Fish. So let me show you all the movements and then we could put it all together and sing the song. So we're going to have Slippery Fish. So just take your hand, you're going to swish it from side to side. Then we're going to have an octopus. So I like to do all the tentacles. So you could go like this and have fun with it. And then there's going to be a tuna fish. So I like to do a big fish like this. And then there's a great white shark. So you want to take your hands, put them together and make fins. And then lastly, there's going to be the big whale. So you can put your hands to the side like this, and he's spouting in the water. So I like to do some water coming out his blowhole like that. All right, so we're going to put it together. Are you ready? Okay. Slippery fish, sliding through the water. Slippery fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by an octopus. Octopus, squiggling in the water. Octopus, octopus, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by tuna fish, flashing in the water. Tuna fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by the great white shark, lurking in the water. Great white shark, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by a humongous whale, spouting in the water. Humongous whale, gulp, gulp, gulp. Burp. Pardon me.